welcome to Rye 4000's Tech Reviews. Today I'm going to be talking about the rumors that are circulating around the January 27th Apple press conference at the Yerba Bueno Center of the Arts in San Francisco. Some things I'm expecting for Apple to introduce at the conference are, number one, a new Apple tablet, as everyone's been waiting for, number two, a new version of iLife, and number three, possibly a new version of the iPhone software. Some things about the new iLife version. I think that they're going to redo iMovie because a lot of people say that iMovie has degressed since its previous version. I think they're going to work on making the face recognition in iPhoto a little bit better because it doesn't seem to work that well. And I think they're going to make a lot of minor updates that will make the whole package a lot better. Kind of like a snow leopard versus leopard. In addition, I think they're going to surprise us with a few new features on iWeb, including something to do with YouTube connectivity with your site and YouTube. Even though they already have that, they're going to add something with that, something with Twitter, some basic web design things that iWeb is lacking because it's a very basic website design program. I think they're going to add some features to that and perhaps add a more complex version of that to their lineup for a little bit more. Next, the Apple tablet or iTablet or iSlate or whatever you want to call it. I think it's going to be introduced there. It's going to have a iPhone type look. It's going to have a 10.1 screen. It's going to have a lot of the iPhone apps and it's going to have a lot of the apps that you see on your Mac. It's going to kind of have a mix of that to what you're going to be able to do. It's going to be able to read newspapers. You're going to be able to subscribe to newspapers and magazines on it. You're going to be able to write on it. You're going to be able to take notes, upload them to your PC, take audio notes, take video notes, probably. I'm not sure. They're probably going to have an iSight camera on there just because I think Apple's wants to surprise us, wants to give us a few goodies that we'll be really excited for. I think it's going to probably have a $999 price tag, but it might be a little bit less. I'm not guessing though because Apple definitely doesn't squinch on its prices. It's of course a very pricey company. One last thing that Apple will probably not introduce but may is a new version of the iPhone software, the 4.0 version. If they do, it's going to add a lot of things to kind of compete with the market today. There's been a lot of smartphones that have been coming out, the HTC that now people know of as the Google Nexus, the Droid phone. Droid does where iPhone doesn't, pretty much what they're saying in their ads. And iPhone's going to kind of combat that with new things that make it better, such as they'll probably have multi-app running processor. I don't know if they can do that with the processor that it's using hardware-wise, but if they can, then they will. But it might be a little bit too much for Apple to come out with in one press conference. That seems like a lot for Apple to bring out for just a small press conference as they said it is. Thanks for watching my video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and check out my blog at ryuy4000.wordpress.com. It has all the stuff this video has, plus a lot of other cool stuff. Thanks.
I do not talk, I am just a rapper. Nigga, I'm the capper. Rapper / not actor, cause I could never act the part of being fakey. You should really thank me. Who else would do